morning, my dear lovely children. Dear children, we are doing chapter number 6 of Geography, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Dear children, yesterday we had discussed about the wildlife, food and clothes that people of Saudi Arabia wear. In wildlife, we had discussed that camel is the most important and useful animal in the desert region. It can survive without food and water for many days, and it has padded feet which help to walk on loose sand. Due to all these reasons, camel is called sheep of the desert. Some other animals are also found here. Animals like Arabian horse and jackals are also found here. Some birds are also found here. Birds like pigeon and quails are also found here. In food, we had discussed that dates, rice, meat and dairy products are the favorite food items of the people of Saudi Arabia. Arabic tea is a special drink here and people used to speak Arabic language. In clothes, we had discussed that Arab men wear thob and gutar and Arab women wear abaya and veil. Now today, we are going to discuss about the recent changes in the lives of the people of Saudi Arabia. Life of the people is changing now. As you know, Saudi Arabia is a desert country. There is acute shortage of water in this country. But still, this country is a rich country. Why? Why it is a rich country? Due to the discovery of oil. The discovery of oil has changed the lives of the people here. Discovery of oil and its export has changed the life of the people in Saudi Arabia. Large quantity of mineral oil is found in Saudi Arabia and its export has changed the life of the people. Mineral oil is taken out from the oil fields and is exported to other countries. Due to which mineral oil is called liquid gold because it has become the source of income for the country like Saudi Arabia. This country has become rich by the export of mineral oil, due to which mineral oil is also called liquid gold. Mineral oil is taken out from the oil fields and it is sent to the oil refineries for purification. Then it is sent to other countries through tanker ships. Science and technology also help the people here in changing their life. Science and technology is being used here to make the life of the people more comfortable. Do you know, students, what is the taste of the seawater? Seawater is salty in taste. Now, in this country, with the help of desalination plant, seawater is now made available to the people for drinking purpose. Seawater is purified and made available to the people in Saudi Arabia for drinking purpose. Desalination plant is a plant which purifies the seawater to make available to the people in Saudi Arabia for drinking purpose. So this way the life of the people is changing in Saudi Arabia.